On everybody, it's JNL here doing another video for you guys, and I got a cool one today. This one's actually pretty cool. So this is a Forces of Nature legendary Pokemon GX box. It's actually pretty cool looking, so I thought this would be a great thing to open for you guys today. So hit the like and subscribe button. Yeah, and if you're enjoying this content, keep watching. I still have a lot more stuff to open. Sorry, I'm gonna open this a little off camera real quick so I can get this out. Looks like we get 6 packs. So that's pretty cool, actually. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. You get this little thing in the back. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's open this up. I've never opened one of these before. I haven't even seen it around here. So you get this cool... Whoa. Get this cool pin. That's pretty cool, actually. I love the pins. You get... Oh, wow. These cards aren't even damaged. That's pretty cool. You get these two. You get Tornadus and Thundurus GX cards. How cool is that? Wow, I like those a lot. Then we get a Sun and Moon base, Evolutions. We get a Forbidden Light pack. Oh, that's neat. Crimson Invasion. Another Forbidden Light pack. Ooh, there we go. And a Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. Alright guys, whoever gets this code, lucky person. Ooh, let's not forget that beauty. Wow, that is cool. Look at that. We got Tornadus, Thundurus, and Landorus GX card. That is pretty cool. Well, it's not even a GX, it's just 1,000 damage. Imagine if that was real. That is cool. I'm going to be keeping that. That's a really cool card. Alright, so let's see what we get. I think I'm going to start with Evolutions. Remember guys, leave a like, subscribe if you're enjoying this. I do appreciate it. We're trying to hit that 500 so we can do our weekly giveaways. So anything would help for that. Okay. There you go. Evolutions 3. Charizard Spirit Link. Double colorless energy. That's a pretty cool energy card. Machoke. Weedle. Electabuzz. Drowsy. Staryu. Another energy. Reverse holographic Porygon. And a non-holo Starmie. So I think I'll go... Forbidden Light? Yeah, let's go Forbidden Light. No, Crimson Invasion, because there's one of those. We'll do a Crimson Invasion. I like the art in this set. Pretty cool art. I don't know if you guys ever felt the cards on. They feel different sometimes. Crimson Invasion. So, Sun and Moon, 4. Emolga. Mowel. Grumpig, Bunnelby, Carablast, Spoink, Salandit, Mankey, he's up to no good. Reverse holographic rare Regice, that's pretty cool. And a Cat Turn non-holo rare. So I'll go to the Forbidden Light now. I opened a booster box of Forbidden Light before, but I didn't have a YouTube channel then. So, sadly, no one saw that. It was a good set, too. I pulled like 7 GXs out of that. Metal Frying Pan. Whoa. Hoopa. Judge. Skiddo. Faroki. Helipatile. Panjam. Bergmite. Reverse holographic rare. Lycanroc. Oh, yeah. That is beautiful. A full art Palkia GX for Forbidden Light. That is a beautiful card. I don't have that yet. Wow. That is pretty cool. You're going back here with all the other cool cards. Alright. So you can't, I mean, full art Palkia, I mean, in this promo box is pretty cool, I will say. That is pretty cool. What if we got a secret rare now? Magneton, Klefki, Uxie, Fennekin, Clauncher, Binnacle, Rockruff, Gibble, Reverse Holographic Grogunk, and non-holographic Salvia, but you are still a cool Pokemon, so I like you. So I'll do the base Sun and Moon now. Come on. Ah, I've had good luck. All the code cards are actually, like, placed right in the pack. I'm getting lucky with that. Gramble. Metapod. Team Skullgrunt. Paris. Fearow. That's a cool Fearow card. Litten. Yangoos. It's pretty cool. Surskit. Reverse Holographic Gramble, and a non-holo Brushisk. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, last pack magic. Let's do this. One of my favorite sets, and I still haven't pulled a lot of cards out of it. It had a really bad pull rate in this set. So let's see. Last pack magic. Watchog. Multi-switch. Kamola. Alolan Vulpix. Slowpoke. Machop. Helipatile. Murkrow. Ooh, reverse holographic rare Salazzle. Oh yeah. Toxapex. That's what I'm talking about. Last pack magic. Toxapex GX. That is a cool looking GX card. Wow. So, out of all that, I mean, I'm not going to complain. We had the Palkia Full Art GX, and we have the Toxapex GX card. So, overall, pretty cool opening. If you guys enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notifications button. I'll appreciate that. And thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.